Welcome back to Explain CAD. In this tutorial, we will know about simple hole and the vent. First of all, we discuss simple hole. For simple hole, we create a path. I select top plane, sketch, normal, center rectangle, smart dimension, 200 mm, and this side 170 mm. Right click, select option, come back from the sketch, go to sheet metal, base flange show tab, thickness 1.20 mm. Okay. For simple hole, first of all, select simple hole and select make it normal. Suppose I want to create hole here. I select here, click here. From here in direction 1, you can specify the depth of the hole, and here you can manage the diameter of the hole. I select 15 mm. From here you can also apply draft. Select OK. Now select hole, edit sketch, smart dimension. From here you can specify the location of the hole. OK. Next one is vent. For creating vent, first of all, we create a sketch. I select this face, sketch, normal, and here I create a corner rectangle, smart dimension, 50 mm, and this side 35 mm. Distance from here to here 25, and from here to here also 25 mm. Right click, select option, come back from the sketch, select vent. It will automatically click the sketch. From here you can also apply draft, and here you can also apply fillet, and here enter the radius of fillet. Select OK. This is simple hole and here is vent. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.